Hi friends, welcome to our channel Kitty Tech. Friends, my name is Kiran. Friends, today I am going on show you how to do cash payment and receipt projects in Tally ERP9 app friends. Friends, first open this Tally ERP9 app friends. Friends, to show you I have created a sum friends how to do this cash payment and receipt projects. Okay, first let's see that sum. See friends. Friends, we do this in Tally ERP9 app friends. Okay. I have here 12 statements and I should get net profit of amount 2,56,000 and balance sheet amount I should get 1,12,56,000 friends, and cash in hand 10,21,000. Okay friends, I should get this amount. Okay friends, let's open this Tally ERP9 app friends, and I want to now create company. First, open in work in educational mode, and I want to shut down current company. Press Alt F1. Okay. Now I want to create company. Friends, I want to give company name as GCS Techno because it is a company name, so that I want to give this name. Okay. GCS Techno. Okay. India, Andhra Pradesh. And next, accept yes. Okay. Now I have been created company. Okay. And next step what I want to do is I want to create ledgers. Okay, this is the next step, and here I have 12 statements, right? And I want to create 12 ledgers. And okay, let's create. For first one, GCS Techno started business with amount 10 lakhs, right? And let's open this. Okay, and I want to create now ledgers. Now go into account info, ledgers, and now I want to create multiple ledgers. Okay, create and all items, and first one is we have to create capital account, and it is 100 rupees capital account only friends. And for second one, purchase computer, right? And I want to create ledger for computer, right? And it is fixed asset 100. And after that, purchase furniture. Okay, furniture, and it is fixed asset, right? And next one is DCA admission fee received, right? DCA admission fee. Friends, here we are receiving money, right? It is indirect income for us. And afterwards, AutoCAD admission fee received. It is also indirect income, friends. AutoCAD admission fee 100 rupees indirect income. And next one is after AutoCAD admission fee, VFX admission fee received, right? VFX admission fee. Received now friends, it is indirect income. And now next, VFX, it is over now friends, it is web design admission fee received. Web design admission fee we are receiving now, it is indirect income 100 rupees. And next one is rent paid. Here it changes friends, because we are paying now, it becomes indirect expense for us. Rent, I give as ledger name as rent, and it is indirect expense because we are paying money, right? And next one is current bill paid. Current bill paid, and it is indirect expense. Next one is salaries paid, and next telephone charges paid. These all are indirect expenses. Next one is salaries. Sorry friends. Salaries. I give ledger name as salaries only. It is indirect expense. And next one is telephone charges na. Telephone charges. It is indirect expense, right? And last one is 12th one, other expenses. It is also indirect expense only. Other expenses, it is indirect expense. See friends, I have created 12 ledgers for 12 statements, and now press accept yes. And now I want to create vouchers, right? Press escape and go to transactions, accounting vouchers, press enter. And for first one I want to create vouchers. GCS Techno started business with rupees 10 lakhs, right? Here the statement comes as capital account data to cash account, right? Okay. Here first we have to know here receipt voucher and payment voucher. If you press F5, it is payment voucher. If you press F6, it is receipt voucher. And now first one is receipt voucher friends, because we are starting business, right? We are investing money, so it will be, you have to enter in receipt voucher, right? Okay, press F6 and now capital account data to cash account. Capital account amount is 10 lakhs na. And debit we take as, sorry, debit we take cash. Okay, and I give here narration as business started. Okay, accept and now press yes. And next one, purchase computer. Friends, here we are paying money, right? We have to do in payment voucher. Press F5 it is payment voucher, friends. Computer, right? And amount is, let's see what the amount is. 1,80,000, right? Okay, 1,80,000. And credit is cash. And we give statement as being purchase computer. We give this narration for our sake, friends, and accept, yes. And after computer, what is the transaction? Purchase furniture, and it is also payment voucher only, friends. Purchase furniture of amount rupees 55,000, right? Okay, let's open this. Furniture, amount is 55,000 na? 55,000, and we take credit as cash. And I give narration as purchase furniture. Accept, yes. And after furniture, DCA admission fee received, right? Friends, it is receipt voucher F6. Okay, press F6. DCA admission fee, automatically it will come, friends, because we have created ledgers, right? And amount is, let's say amount 1,20,000. 1,20,000. And debit is cash. And I give narration as DCA admission fee received. Accept, yes. And after DCA admission fee, next one is AutoCAD admission fee received. And it is also receipt voucher only, friends, F6 only. AutoCAD admission fee, and the amount is, let's say amount 85,000, right? 85,000. And debit is cash only. And I give narration as AutoCAD admission fee received. Press enter, yes. And next one is VFX admission fee received of amount 65,000, right? VFX admission fee received. These all are receipt voucher only, friends, because we are getting money, right? VFX admission fee received, and amount is 65,000 na? 65,000. And debit is cash. Narration I give as VFX admission fee received. Okay, press enter. And next one is web design admission fee received of amount 95,000, right? And this is also in receipt voucher only, friends. And amount is web design admission fee. Web design admission fee of amount 95,000. And debit we take normally cash. and I give narration, web design, admission fee received. Next one is rent paid. Friends, we are here, we are paying amount na. So we have to do in payment voucher F5. Okay. Rent paid of amount 25,000. Right? Press F5 and rent. Amount is 25,000. Right? And we take credit. Sorry. Cash. I give narration as rent paid. Accept. Yes. And next one is after rent. Current bill paid of 7,500. Current bill paid. Amount is 7,500 na. 7,500 and credit we take cash. I give narration as current bill paid. Accept. Yes. And next one is salaries paid of amount 66,000. Right? Salaries amount is 66,000. Right? And we take credit as cash. I give narration as salaries paid. And next one is telephone charges paid of amount rupees 5,500. And these all are in payment voucher only, friends. Telephone charges amount is 5,500, right? And credit we take as cash. I give here telephone charges paid. Okay, I give narration like this. And we have last one, other expenses of amount 5,000. This is also in payment voucher only, friends. Other expenses amount is 5,000 na. 5,000 and we take credit normally cash. And I give narration here, other expenses paid. Okay, see friends, now I have created ledgers. Okay, let's check now. I should get the values of this. I should get net profit of 2,56,000, balance sheet 12,56,000 and cash in hand 10,21,000. Okay, let's check this. Press escape. Yes. And now go to balance sheet. Okay, I should get here amount of 12,56,000, right? See friends, I have got 12,56,000. And now next I should get net profit. See, wait. I should get net profit 2,56,000 na. See friends, I have got net profit of 2,56,000 and balance sheet 12,56,000. Balance sheet I got 12,56,000 and I should also get now cash in hand, right? Go to profit and loss, balance sheet. Press Alt F1 if you want to see in totally. See friends, cash in hand I got 10,21,000. Okay, let's check now. See friends, 10,21,000. See, I have done correctly. This is all about how to do this friends. Friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you for watching. See you.